how to fix PS5 doesn't support Bluetooth audio accessories. So I'm going to show you a few different fixes. First, you want to go into settings. Then here we are just going to go into accessories here near screen and video. So click on accessories. Then you want to go and select general Bluetooth accessories, and here you will see all of your connected accessories, and for ones which you have not connected yet, they will appear here in accessories found, and you just want to connect to them by pressing the X button. Alright, so once you have connected your accessories, if you get this message still, then what you can do is to go back into sound. So go into sound, then audio output device, and you will select the accessory from this screen. Now if it doesn't appear and you still get this error message, then you can connect the Bluetooth accessory directly to your TV. So if your TV has Bluetooth support, then you will connect it, and if you still get this issue, the last thing that I suggest doing is going to be just taking your audio accessory and connecting it through the USB port. So you will just plug it in and then plug it into the USB of your PS5, and it is going to work without issues, but it's gonna be a cabled connection. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.